Introducing the new 3D printable Calridian model. Rendered in loving detail from bow to stern. The paint you'll have to do yourself, but the model is very nice. You'll also need to provide your own 3D printing, but the model's nice. It's built to scale with the original Lego mock-up of the Calridian. Or it could be whatever size you want, because it's scalable. And the guns will probably look even better if it's scaled up. They look pretty good at this scale. You can even pair it with your Nate Cooper plushie. The plushie you'll have to make yourself also. The Calridian 3D printable model. Available to everyone. Absolutely free. We didn't lock it behind Patreon or channel memberships this time. We wanted everyone to be able to have it. So yeah, it's for free. Go download it. Go do cool things with it. And send pictures. I want to see.